Keyboard shortcuts are a convenient way to perform actions on a computer quickly and efficiently. Here are some commonly used keyboard shortcuts that can help increase productivity. General shortcuts. Ctrl+C. Copy selected text or content. Ctrl+X. Cut selected text or content. Ctrl+V. Paste copied or cut text or content. Ctrl+Z. Undo the last action. Ctrl+Y. Redo the last action. Ctrl+A. Select all items or text. Ctrl+S. Save the current document or file. Ctrl+P. Print the current document or file. Ctrl+F. Find text or content within a document or web page. Ctrl+N. Open a new document, window, or tab. Windows shortcuts. Windows key. Open or close the Start menu. Windows key+D. Show or hide the desktop. Alt+Tab. Switch between open applications or windows. Windows key+L. Lock the computer or switch user accounts. Windows key+E. Open File Explorer, Windows Explorer. Alt+F4. Close the active window or program. Mac shortcuts. Command+C. Copy selected text or content. Command+X. Cut selected text or content. Command+V. Paste copied or cut text or content. Command+Z. Undo the last action. Command+Shift+Z. Redo the last action. Command+A. Select all items or text. Command+S. Save the current document or file. Command+P. Print the current document or file. Command+F. Find text or content within a document or web page. Command+N. Open a new document, window, or tab. Web browsing shortcuts, applicable to most browsers. Ctrl+T. Open a new browser tab. Ctrl+W. Close the current browser tab. Ctrl+Shift+T. Reopen the most recently closed browser tab. Ctrl+Tab. Switch between open browser tabs. Ctrl+Shift+Tab. Switch between open browser tabs in reverse order. Ctrl+R, or F5. Refresh the current web page. These are just a few examples of keyboard shortcuts, and the actual shortcuts may vary depending on the operating system and the software or application you are using. You can explore additional keyboard shortcuts specific to the software or tasks you frequently perform to streamline your workflow and save time.